Hello, Kim Townsel. This is my February 2021 IPSY bag. Let's see what's inside. It's kind of cute, right? Check in the comments below the video as well as in the text below the video, and I'll share my link in case you want to try IPSY for yourself or someone else. It helps me out a little bit. A Ready, Set, Go setting powder. Lottie London. True translucent. Looks very white, doesn't it? Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. I like masks. That's interesting. Buy This Works. Apply to clean skin, including eye area, massage until absorbed. Interesting. It has a different smell. Here's the card. Celebrate Black History Month. The inside of the card always shows you what you have inside. Have a set of tweezers. I have a set of tweezers that I really like already. These may go in a first aid kit. We'll see. But those are pretty, aren't they? The slant tip tweezers. I like the kind that are pointed. These don't work very well for me. And last but not least, we have, I don't even know how to say that, cleansing oil. Hard to read this label with this light. Doesn't really tell how to use this. I usually use baby oil to take off my mascara because it's waterproof mascara, so I guess we'll just pour a little bit on my hands. Rub it in. Ooh. It smells like Crisco with lemon in it. Boo. Well, it takes it off. I'm not sure it's any better than baby oil. I'm gonna wipe that off. See what it does on my face. It's very thick. If you have dry skin, you're probably gonna love this. It just feels like I'm smearing Crisco over my face, to be honest. I'm gonna wash this off. Gonna wipe some of this off while the water gets warm. I guess it worked. My skin doesn't feel nasty or anything, so it's not bad. I don't think it's a product for me though. After cleansing, apply to dry face, avoiding the eye and lip area. It's very thick. I actually had this on for about an hour. I got busy with doing some chores and didn't realize it had been on that long, but it didn't crack or get like really weird looking or anything. I got so cold all of a sudden I changed robes, but I'm just going to wipe it off with a damp or a warm bath cloth. So that's what came off. The skin doesn't feel too dry, doesn't feel, really weird or anything like that. So if you want a really super thick mask, then you may like this one. No complaints. This is supposed to be a primer and a mask and moisturizer all in one. You can put it on before you put your makeup on. It has a strange smell. I've used it before, and the moisturizer part of it's great. It goes on easily and feels good. It just has a weird smell like metal roses. So if they can improve the smell, this would be an awesome product. It's very white. Softly white, and it kind of wants to go everywhere. My final take on these, the clay mask was fine. It wasn't the best I've ever used, but it certainly wasn't the worst. The multitasker mask, moisturizer, and primer, this works. I love the way it feels, but that smell, I just can't get past the metallic rose smell. The cleansing oil, the more I use it, it just smelled like rancid olive oil. When I looked at the ingredients, it was made of olive oil. The translucent power, I guess it's okay. It just goes everywhere, and it's really, really, really light. It gives me a different look. And then the tweezers, they're in the first aid kit. Thanks for watching my February 2021 IPSY bag, my IPSY Glam bag. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about any of the products that you saw in here. Check in the text below, and I'll give you my link. If you want to join IPSY, it's $12 a month. It's a lot of fun. If you have time before you go, watch another video. And until we meet again, stay beautiful, good looking, or handsome, or the best you can be. Bye.